got the bumper off the track. Once Grant's comfortable, we'll get things started back up. Shut it down. 15 has a fire. Tommy Grove in the 15 is done for the night, ladies and gentlemen. Give him a round of applause. We're going to get the track cleared off. Once Grant feels comfortable, let the firemen get back into their spot. We'll get back underway. Here we go. Looks like the 804 is still an action automobile. The 6006S still a live vehicle. The 137, the 70. Those two vehicles making contact down here against the rock. 6006S pulls away from the 315. That 804. Looks like he's setting somebody up. Watch that 6006S. The 70 makes contact with the 804. The 70 starting to stop pretty bad. 76 pushing his way through out there in the center of the arena. 316 comes in contact with the 76. Watch that 137. Here comes that 70. Looks like we're down to 4 vehicles, 5 vehicles that are still running, 6 vehicles are still running. 70 is on the clock. 70 is on the clock. We're going to get it started. 70 is done. 70 is done. Shut it down, 70. Hold it up, gentlemen. Looks like we're going to reposition the block here down on the west end. A couple cars come in contact down there to move our blocks. Want to make sure we keep all our track guys safe. And here we go, we're back on the west end. Looks like the 76, well, you got to move. We got 316 to 76, 6006S. We got the 137. One more vehicle. Looks like we're getting them stacked up over there on that far end. That's that 316. Into that vehicle right there. Still can't get them around that car. We got the 76, the 6006S, the 147, and the 804. Looks like we're down to 5 automobiles. 5 automobiles. 76 doesn't appear to be moving. 76 getting it started. Let's try it. 76 got it running. Back away from the block. And he gets it moving. 804, he's still moving but struggling. Got the 316. Driven by Jason Fletcher. The 316. 804 is still moving. Hold it up, gentlemen. Hold it up. Looks like we got a fire in the 316. If that's a fire, his night will be done. And Jason Fletcher in the 316, his night is done. Give him a round of applause, everybody. That puts us down to 4 vehicles. We're down to 4. We're down to 4. The 60065, Jason Hewitt. The 137, Jim Mason. We've got the 804, Mark Polson. And we've got the 76. Fire them up, guys. Let's go. 804 is on the clock. The 804 is on the clock. Looks like the 76 is on the clock. 76 is on the clock. 804 is on the clock. We've got 2 live vehicles right now. Can those 2 guys get those vehicles fired? We've got the 137 by Jim Mason. We've got the 6006S by Jason Hewitt. Those 2 are doing battle down there on the outside of the arena. And the 8004, Mark Polson, he is done. 8004 is done. 76 still has a little time remaining. 76 is done. We're down to 2 automobiles. The 137, the 60065. Who's it gonna be? Got 2 vehicles left. They both seem like they're running pretty strong. Pick one out, pick your favorite out, folks. Make some noise. 60065 into the 137. He might be pinned up against the wall. Can he move that vehicle? 60065 is not going to give him any space. He's going to keep him trapped right up there. 60065 starting to smoke. Can the 137 get it moved? He's not going to give him any room. 60065 is going to try and keep him pinned in the corner. Can he get it out of the corner? He's still trying. We're down to 2 vehicles. This might be it. He's still trying to get it moved. 60065 keeps working on the front end of that 137 car. 137's trying hard to see if he can get out of that corner. Almost got it. Those two are still battling it out. Still working. He's running, but he can't move. 60065. Is he going to finish him off? Is he waving off? He's running, but he's not moving. He's got to make contact with a moving vehicle. 60065. He's trying to finish him off. Still can't seem to move. He's pinned up there in that corner. 137's done. Your winner is the 60065. Jason Hewitt. Put your hands together for Mr. Hewitt, ladies and gentlemen. And that's our event for the evening.